The main cornerstone of the Islamic faith is that there is only one sole creator, sustainer, and cherisher for all the human beings. The cornerstone of Islamic faith is Tawheed, that there is only one sole creator, sustainer, cherisher for all the human beings, irrespective whether they are black or white, yellow or brown, rich or poor, whether they come from America or Malaysia, India or Pakistan. Our creator is the same. And this point is the single most important point for universal brotherhood. This point alone, that all the human beings have one sole common creator, sustainer, and cherisher, is sufficient for universal brotherhood. That's the reason, monotheism being the cornerstone of Islam, besides Islam, it is even the cornerstone of all the faiths. But unfortunately, in the passage of time, the importance to it deteriorated. That's the reason, if you read the scriptures of all the major religions, all of them speak about believing and worshipping only one God.